Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our reasoning exercise present on the page number 19 of your book, that is growing pattern exercise number 5, that is complete the following. Students, the remaining exercise present on the page number 17 and 18 I will discuss with you in our next upcoming videos. You may try on your own. If you are facing any doubts on those exercises, I will discuss with you in our next video or in our Zoom lecture. So let's start our exercise. What we are seeing here in this figure is that in each next figure, in each next figure, when we are moving from first to second and so on, we are seeing that after on moving on each next figure, there is an increase in the number of one triangle. The number of triangle here are 1, and in next figure the number of triangle are 2, and in next figure the number of triangle are 3. In next 4 triangles, in next so on 5 triangles. So we can see that there is a increase in triangle by 1 unit in each succeeding figure. So in next figure, I hope you know the answer. There are 6 triangles. There will be 6 triangles, and in next there will be 7 triangles. This example is quite easy. Now let's try our next question, that is, here what we are seeing that on moving on each figure there is an increase in the number of one black dot, but in alternating pattern. That is, moving this, there is an increase in the black dot in this portion, while on moving to next there is an increase in one dot but in opposite side, that is here. Moving next, then alternating opposite direction, this here. On moving next, there is an increase in black dot on its opposite side. On moving here, there is an increase in black dot in this position, that is in our left side. So we are seeing that there is an increase in black dot in alternate or opposite positions. So we must expect that there will be an increase in black dot in its opposite side. These are already fixed, these 4 dots, and these 5 dots are present in our previous figure also. So the next dot will come on our right side. So on moving to next figure, the next black dot will come to its opposite sign. So up to previous figure we are having these number of black dots. So there will be increase in black dot in our opposite position. I hope all of you are understanding this figure. If you have any query, you may contact with me on my personal number shared with you in my WhatsApp group. So let's moving to our next figure. What we are seeing here is that there is a arrow-headed arrows, there is arrow-headed lines, or there are bows or arrows. But on moving to next figure, we are seeing that there is always an increase in one more arrow The number of arrows are here 1. In next figure there is 2, so on 3, then 4, then 5. Then our next figure we were expecting 6 arrows. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The length will be equal. So there are 6 arrows. So in next figure there will be 7 arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So there is always an increase in one more arrow or one bow in each succeeding figures. So moving to our next problem, what we are seeing is here that there is an increase in one tail. There is an increase in one tail in its opposite side. If I mention this is left position, this is right position, there is an increase in the one more tail. Tail means small stick or small portion of line on its tail of the arrow. There is an increase in one dot on its right side. In our next figure then again right side. Right, then again right, then here there is left, then again right, then again left. Then we must here with the tail on right side. There are 4 sticks, therefore the next line will be on its right side. So in next figure the line will come to its left side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and next soon the next figure will be come on its left side. I hope this is clear to you. On moving to our next problem, actually there is an increase in box or square in anti-clockwise manner. That is anti-clockwise manner. This position is anti-clockwise manner. This problem has been already discussed in our previous videos. Anti-clockwise. There is 1 box, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually there is an increase in adjacent line. There is an increase in square on its adjacent line in anti-clockwise manner. This is quite easy. These are our previous, so the next box will come here. So next it will come to its last position vacant. The one position remaining will. This is quite easy. So moving to our next problem, there is an increase in circle in each succeeding figures. There is an increase in circle by 1 unit. Actually these are dice, Ludo dice. Number of circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hope there will be 6 circles. Next there will be 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This problem is quite easy. Moving to our next problem, Actually the shaded portion of the triangles are increasing, but in clockwise manner. Here rotation is clockwise. Then our next figure will be this shaded portion is already there. I will draw it again. Wait. Now filling the color. So our next triangle will be this. So next figure, the only left portion will be filled it up. So the remaining is also be filled. So moving to our next problem or last problem, there is also increase of arrows or simply the matchstick like figure. There is 1, 2, 3 sticks, 4 sticks, 5, 6. Then there will be 7 sticks. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and here 8 will come. Now let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and remaining 8. There will be 8. So thank you students. If you facing any doubt, you may contact me on my personal WhatsApp number shared with you. Thank you.